All right, guys, here we go. Taking a look at the daily chart of the gold futures. And if you've been following us a while, we've been, long this thing for quite a while, and then we went short and then rolled this up pretty well. And then today, we got out of our short position, went long when we came into that blue dash line in the 20, blue dash line over here, this consolidation zone, high pivot area that we couldn't get through. So previous resistance a lot of times becomes support when you come down to it. How long will this last? Who knows? But this is the game plan so far. One of two things are going to happen. Okay, one, we are forming an M formation, and we're going to come down and hit this 50. And by that time, maybe the 50 is, in this range right about here. Okay, so an M formation or this short-term area up here will break down, try to come back up, retest this uptrend line that we see here. That fills, we come down, make a higher low and go. In other words, we have a low here and then a higher low, in this area, shallow pullback, and then we continue higher, okay? So that's the two scenarios we're looking at. In other words, this M formation where we fail and then come down. So you make a high, lower high, and then you continue down, and then we'll come into this 50 simple day moving average, wherever that might be, because this is going to take a little bit of time to play out, okay? Or, we're looking at our, W formation here, and we'll see what this, if we, bounce here. And I'm considering looking, for a potential bounce back up here to retest these highs, okay? So far we've been making, well, a high, higher high, higher high, and then we'll see if we can come up and meet that or break it. If not, then yeah, we're probably going to be coming, back to the downside. And if we break that 20, guess what? Yeah, this 50 will be the next target. And actually, depending on where the 50 is, this consolidation zone over here should really be, a prime target as price comes down. Okay. So, and that's all really honestly contingent on the DXY US dollar currency index. As you see, we're getting a little bounce here, but I think that's going to be short lived because whether it's down trend line, number one, number two, see how it hit the 20 here, getting rejected, got rejected here. We haven't been able to clear the 20, and not really even clear. We just closed over it one day, middle of March, and then didn't get any follow through. Even on that big, huge candle there that took out this previous area, we couldn't, get any momentum to the upside. And even if we do, then we're looking at a real strong uh, resistance zone in this area here, which guess what? Yeah, correlates with our 50. So that's two huge factors for a breakdown in the DXY US dollar currency index, should we reach that area. So best case scenario for gold and silver commodities would be for us to get halted here and then, just trade sideways until, the bulls get weak and then roll over back to the downside. But guys, appreciate you watching. Follow us over on Twitter and we will see you on the charts.